Hi, I'm Jim McNair. I'm here with Kershaw and Zero Tolerance Knives at the 2018 Blade Show. I want to show you a new knife we have in our ZT line. That is the 0470. It's a new design by Dmitry Sinkevich, and this is based on his custom W model. So as you can see overall, this is a very sleek, very beautiful kind of artistic knife. We have a titanium front handle. For the first time in our lineup, we're using marbled carbon fiber. It's got a beautiful look to it, real depth and some flow in that material. We have a two-tone stone-washed and satin-finished 20 CV blade. So the other cool thing about this knife is it has a really nice machined aluminum backspacer. It's pocketed down in between the handles. It has a lanyard loop as well, so you can add your lanyards to it, add a little personalization to this knife. As we flip the knife over, we have a titanium frame lock with a hardened steel lock bar insert, a bent titanium pocket clip. We have a new custom pivot on this knife, and the knife is operating on the KVT washer bearing, so it's very smooth. It's got great detent. It's a very comfortable design. This will be coming in at an MSRP of $300. This will be something that you'll probably be seeing in the fourth quarter toward the end of the year.